Hello everyone, Tom here from Smartland, and welcome to another one of our video blogs. For many investors, hiring a property management company is the way to go. They will handle everything from contact, rent collections, to maintenance, to even potential evictions. The important thing to remember is that this relationship is a two-way street. Here are a few things that you can do to make sure the job is easier for not just you, but for the property management company. First of all, leave the contact up to them. Let's say somehow your tenant finds a way to get a hold of you. Maybe they leave you a voicemail about how they're going to be late on their rent this month due to some kind of family emergency or some other situation. As tempting as it may be to respond, please just leave it up to the property management company. They handle situations like this all the time, and they are well prepared to figure out the best course of action. Second, remember to coordinate your visits. Sometimes there may be a reason for you to have to visit the property. Maybe you're thinking of selling it and you want to check some things out, or you recently had a maintenance item repaired and you want to just take a look at it. It's always important to make sure you plan that visit with your manager. This way the tenants will have advance notice and everything will be well documented. Third, ensure repairs and maintenance get approved in a timely manner. Make sure that your real estate property management company has all the agreements in place to approve the repairs and maintenance. This way, nothing gets missed. Number 4, keep a healthy reserve fund. Although we all hope nothing bad will ever happen to our rental properties, the truth is, it'll probably come up eventually. It may take some years, but you want to be prepared for when that day comes. When costly repairs arise, this fund will ensure that you do not have to pull money from your personal accounts, or defer maintenance and potentially damage your property's good rental reputation. Number 5, take care of the utilities on time. If your rental agreement stipulates that the owner is going to take care of the utility expenses, such as garbage pickup, water, sewer, or any other items, make sure those bills are paid on time. Some managers will even take care of these bills for you, but it may come at a fee. Number 6, ensure that your real estate property management company is being compensated. One of the most common misconceptions of investing in real estate is that you'll essentially have to take on a second full-time job as a landlord. Property management companies can ensure that that is not the case. They work full-time so you don't have to. They are truly here to make real estate passive. Thanks for watching, and feel free to continue reading more about this subject and other blogs that we have written in the past. Thank you everyone for checking this one out, and feel free to subscribe to all of our social media. Follow us on Twitter, Instagram, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And again, this is Tom from Smartland, and I'll see you real soon with a new topic.